not worth anything.
Yeah.
It's an aluminum strainer, which you don't see. It's been banged around, but this is it. You strain it. You say it's difficult to get the fat off. No, it's not. Making chicken is not a one-day job. After you have the chicken, if you strained it, you put it in the refrigerator. Freezer if you want. Make it faster. Then the fat will all come to the top. And you take that fat off.
It's like chicken jello.
You take all that fat off. Some people use it to fry stuff, but I don't like it. I just like
What's the word for that chicken fat?
Schmaltz. You know what schmaltz is? Chicken fat. Chicken fat. Or actually, schmaltz means fat.
Chicken fat.
Oh, we're giving you today, we're also giving you a Yiddish lesson.
Schmegma.
So now you know. See, it takes, it's my big, this pot is as big as the one you have at home. Yours is taller. I thought about that too. See, here's the chicken in here. Everything is in here. Gonna bring it to a boil. First we gotta get this stuff off. But I cleaned it so good it might not be much. It's already beginning to look like soup.
It is. The color is already starting to turn yellow.
Because it's all. See it? Can you see it? I can give you more light. It's already becoming soup.
Golden.
Yes.
Chickeny.
And it's going to be more golden. You can see it good over here. Look. See? Come here and look. You can see it's already becoming chicken soup. See the color? Look. Now I'm going to peel that parsnip because I don't know what else to do with it. And I'm going to put it in there too. Because it never can be too much. Now, there is, I didn't put it in here, and I won't if you think it's not good. In order to give it some more good taste, I have a Telma, T-E-L-M-A, chicken consomme. It's kosher, made in Israel. And what the ingredients are? Lots of stuff.
Salt.
Salt, potato starch. I didn't put in because of Baby Jonas.
Potato starch is fine.
Flavor enhancer, sugar, hydrogenated palm oil, Passover yeast.
That's fine.
Okay, they're in good shape. Dehydrated
Do you
onion, parsley, stuff like that.
Do you usually put that in?
Yes.
Well, then put it in.
And if you ever want to make chicken soup at home in a fast way, I'll give you one. You just stick this in. With some hot water. Cook it a little bit, and you got delicious chicken soup.
Where do you get those?
At the kosher section at grocery store. I'm crushing it up. I was going to really do something terrific. I couldn't find my hat, my chef's hat, and I don't know where my aprons are. Well,
But you don't normally cook in that, so that wouldn't have been authentic.
no. Now to take care of the parsnip, which I did not put in. I put in one. And the best place to buy them, you can get them at Ukrup, but you got to buy a whole package. At Progress, you just buy as many as you want. So, parsnip. It ain't that easy to cut. It isn't that easy. There it is. Smell. Parsnip.
Okay.
Let's smell it as I'm peeling it.
Actually got almost a lemony fresh scent to
I
it.
don't know. Daddy always told me about putting the parsnip in. Now, my father was a much better cook than my mother. Okay, yes, I take after my mother.
No comment.
What?
It's the truth.
But her chicken soup is the bomb.
I forgot to listen.
I just think this smells good. I understand you can cook it as a vegetable. I don't know.
I made parsnip latkes once. Parsnip and potato latkes.
Okay.
Elena, put it down. Elena, put it on the table where you found it.
It's hard. That's how I do it. Well, I usually don't drop it.
5-second rule.
What?
Yeah,
here
I
it
wouldn't
is.
have even washed it off. It's going to go in the boiling water.
That's hard to cut. This is my secret. It's still hard to cut.
Kids,
but I almost
don't
got it.
ever do that with one of my knives.
I'm gonna stand right here.
There you go.
I win.
Don't you dare do it with your knife.
You first.
The whole thing in.
What?
Not an exact science. See the stuff that's coming up. Say it. Come here. Come here. Lena, Marla,
Did yours have
Jonas.
I can't touch shingles.
This is the stuff I want to take off. Now there's other ways to do it. I guess with a strainer.
That's gross.
Spoon's the best way to do it.
That's what I'm taking off. You take off as much as you can. If you can't do it all, it's okay. It'll all strain out. Sort of like it's come off though.
It's the impurities
There's
from
some
the
right
chicken
there.
coming up.
There's some right there. Be some on that thing too.